Hi beautiful lovelies, welcome to my channel. You're welcome back to another video. If today is your first time here, I'm Stephanie and you're welcome to this space. Please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button and joining the family. You are highly welcome here. And to my returning subscribers, hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to make a perfect non-slimy oat milk at home. So let's get right into this video. Let me show you how to do so. Yeah.
Hey, it's me.
Welcome back. So to make our oat milk, I'm going to be using oats. Obviously the name goes oat milk, so we'll need oat to make our oat milk. But I'm going to be using the rolled oat because it is less processed. The quick oat is not advisable to use that because it tends to cook and make your milk slimy in the process of making your milk. Okay, so it's better for you to look for oats, rolled oats, because it is less processed. You will see the reason why the oats would cook in the process. Okay, so let's continue. So I have 500 grams of oats here. That's I did 2 cups, 250, making it 500. So I have vanilla essence here, which is optional. You can use cinnamon if you want to. And then I have honey here. You can use maple syrup or date syrup, anyone you want to use to sweeten, or you can just not put it. Okay, I have ice cube here, which you know the reason. I'll soon tell you the reason why I'm using ice cube. Then I have cold water here. This is very chilled water. Yes, this water is very chilled. You can see it. It's very cold. I'll come to the reason why you should use cold and ice water for this recipe. Okay, and then I have my bottles here. I will use in preserving, like putting the oat milk when I'm done. I have sieve here. I'll use in separating the pulp from our oat milk. Okay, then I have blender here. The blender I'll use in mixing and blending everything together. Okay, so now let's get into processing our milk, because this is really a process. Okay, so yeah, let's get right into processing our milk. So in a blender, I'm going to be pour in my water. I don't even know what I'm saying today. I'll just pour in my water. I have 1,000 grams of water here. That means 500 grams of oats to 1,000. Okay, 1,000 grams of water. Am I making sense? Just use your head to measure it. And then I'm putting the ice cubes, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. Like I said, you can skip this if you want. Okay, but just for flavor, you can use cinnamon, you can use vanilla essence, anyone you prefer. Okay, and then I'll add 1 tablespoon of honey. Like I said before, you can use maple syrup, you can use date syrup, anyone you prefer, or you can just leave your oat milk plain if you don't want it sweetened. Okay, so I'm going to blend this for just 30 seconds. Reason because you know when you're blending something, your blender tends to make things hot, and this is oat. Any little thing needs to start cooking, any little hotness is to start cooking. So that's the main reason why you should use ice and cold water while blending this. So the ice and cold water will just help it, while blending. It will make the hotness from the blender to cook the oat. Okay, I don't know if that explanation even makes sense, but that's just the reason for using the cold water and the ice. So now we are done blending. I'll be using my mesh sieve to separate the milk from the pulp. I'll just pour it in and carefully do this. This is just to make sure that the pulp doesn't get into the milk. And then making oat milk is very, very tricky, because if you overwork your oat milk, like if you overwork the process, the oat will start cooking. Oat cooks easily. Even using rolled oats, you just have to be very careful. Talk more of using the quick oats, which tends to cook very easy, and it will make your milk slimy. So we don't want to get a slimy milk here. We just want to get a perfect milk here. So everything we are doing with this process, we are going to be very careful with it. Don't overwork your process, like overwork the process, maybe overworking the oats while making it. I don't know if that makes sense again. So yeah, I'll just carefully press this to make sure that I get every milk from this, like I get as much milk as possible. Okay, please, if you've watched up until this time and you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Okay, subscribe to support the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thank you. So let's get back to squeezing out our milk. So yeah, I'll just squeeze out the milk and make sure that we get every of our milk. Okay, so after doing that, for me, I go back to using this other sieve for the second sieving as well. This is just, if you don't have this, you can skip this. This is just being extra to make sure that I don't have any particles or maybe pulp in my milk. Do you get? So if you don't have these, you can just do this. The first one actually did a perfect job, but I just feel this has a tinier net and it will give me that perfect milk. Okay, so yeah, that's just it. After then, that is it. That is all. This is our milk, and as you can see, this milk is not slimy. It's perfectly made. Okay, you can use this oat milk for your pancakes. You can use it for smoothies. If you follow my channel very well, you'll notice I use oat milk very well for my smoothies. I use it for pancakes as well. You can use it for your toddlers. Please, if you're using it for a child, a baby less than 1 year old, please don't use honey. Preferably use date to sweeten it if you want to sweeten any of their milk or food. Okay, so yeah, this is our milk and this is how it's looking. Okay, perfectly made. Can you see that? Can you see that? So beautiful, right? Yeah, so that is how to make oat milk. Very simple, easy step. This milk can be taken by someone who is lactose intolerant. You can use it to substitute for cow milk. Okay, and yeah, so that is it for this video. I'm so sorry about how this voiceover is going. I don't know why I'm so tense today making voiceover, but anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for getting to this point. I love you all. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.